Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. Well, it is a brisk but beautiful morning today, and I'm going to take the Mach Wheel Obsidian out on the trails. Just unboxed this yesterday. Don't even have 1 mile on it yet, so I'm hoping all goes well. I'm going to be hitting some new trails today that I haven't ridden before with a group of friends of ours, and we're going to be guided by a volunteer that knows the trail system, so we're just going to go out there, ride. Don't really know what to expect. Don't think it's going to be anything too crazy. I think it's going to be mostly just off-road, hopefully nothing too crazy. But if it does get a little unpredictable, well, I do have the Obsidian, and I believe that is going to be more than capable of anything that we can throw at it today. So I'm going to, put it through some tests and, just enjoy the day with some friends. So I'm all loaded up, about ready to go, and let's get going. Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. Well, we're here at Carlton Reserve, and I'm going to meet up with a couple of friends and a couple of strangers. And we're going to go check out some trails. I believe there's going to be like single track trails, a little rough riding maybe. Not really sure what to expect, but we wanted to check it out and see what it's all about. And of course, I've got the brand new Mach Wheel Obsidian. This is the maiden ride. I haven't even ridden it a half a mile in front of my house yet, so hopefully all goes well with that. But yeah, we're about ready to go here. We're still waiting for 1 or 2 people. A couple of folks just showed up and they're still kind of getting ready. But we will be on the trail here momentarily, and I'll be bringing it to you with the action camera. All right, stick around, here we go.
So this is a big map. So I think the big slough preserve is different than the slough that we're going to.
Do you remember what you guys did last time?
Yeah, we came up this power line road right here.
Yeah.
And then we got lost over here going
Oh,
to
so you
Cowboys
went up
camp.
to toward the cowboy camp?
Yeah, the first time we missed it, and we ended up going around by.
Okay.
Yeah, and
I
I'll
think it was
show
up,
you.
maybe up through there.
Yeah, we just wandered all around the
Yeah, we
place.
did.
Once we
me
found
ask-
the power line, we're like,
The reptilian creature.
Were you out here with us before? No, this is your first trip?
Okay, stopping again just to point out. So this power line road.
Yeah, we did some of that. Actually, I think it was Greg and I made it through that gate. Wasn't it you, Greg? Yeah. Yeah, you were with us, right? Yeah. And then we turned around and came back. Yeah. All right, guys, we're here on the Carlton Reserve, and we have our tour guide. I didn't catch her name. Kind of showing us some new trails and stuff out here. This is the kind of place where they want you to register ahead of time, so they know that people are going to be out here. It's not used very much. Maybe it's because of that reason, but this is a huge area out here, and not many people are aware of it. This is where the city or the county of Sarasota gets a lot of, or most of their water from. They got a big water treatment plant out here, and a big aquifer down below. And so it's mostly just undisturbed landscape. And it sounds like there's quite a few trails out here. I've been out here once or twice before. Kind of stuck to this power line road and a couple other roads, but I'm hoping we see some new things today.
Two-part story we have from my understanding.
Yeah.
I am. I just
Coming over. Let me come over right
figure
here.
out the,
Ryder.
my bike situation. Like I thought about canceling that. Is there a Starbucks around here?
Starbucks.
Yeah, right. Where's the Starbucks?
Maybe we could put like a Dunkin' right there.
Yeah, that'd work. That'd work for me. Hawthorne?
It's a big
Yeah.
problem. I texted you everything, right?
Yeah.
I love it.
Duncan? Is that where we're headed?
Going to Dee Dee's.
We're headed towards North.
Sorry guys, I have to dump this out. There's a big one around.
Your coffee's no longer good.
Becoming more of a
Liability.
Bouncing around on you.
Alright guys, we're just cruising along, enjoying ourselves, not doing much talking, so maybe I'll just throw in some music or something for you to listen to as we cruise along. I'll probably be turning the camera on and off just to conserve battery today and maybe get through this ride, so maybe now's a good time to do that.
You guys see the pig?
Oh yeah, the boar.
Pig and all the deer that were sitting on the side of the path.
I missed that.
The thing that Sherm taught us that was kind of interesting is, I mean, water is plentiful now, and so you'll see the gators all scattered out. And they're pretty territorial. In a drought, when there's less and less water, they all converge
Congregate.
to where there
Yeah.
is water, and there's sort of this unspoken anti-aggression treaty where they'll all manage to live in a really concentrated area on each side of the road. It's a pretty decent hike up to a deep hole, and at any given
Yeah, maybe instead of that.
We're just here to follow you. You take us wherever you want. We won't know any different.
Probably won't care either.
Nope, won't care either. We just like to ride. Ooh, room for me? Thanks. What's that?
Let me park and I'll open the gates.
No.
Yeah.
You know that much.
Wrong one.
Front. Yep.
We're gonna go that way.
You using those brakes? Smarter, not harder.
The pedal.
There you go.
I need some help.
Pedal. Oh, there we go.
Thank you.
What's the food?
Good the donkey.
I got, yeah, we need to do that.
They just don't know what they're doing. Yep. Don't all go at once. Thanks.
How bad he's going to work on.
I shouldn't park right there.
You're okay.
Yeah. Good reminder.
Ooh, 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 ooh. I am collecting tolls, by the way.
Oh.
So far, all of you are in violation of the Curtis Act.
So they're about to snap.
I might as well grab a picture too. I can zoom in a little bit.
I've been behind you. I didn't see anything drop. That doesn't mean it didn't.
What, the bike feel just a little bit lighter now or something? Or did you hear it? Or?
I don't see my phone. Did my phone flop?
Well, it's not in your holder.
Steve, would you call my phone, please?
Sure.
That stinks.
Back there.
Oh, wait, never mind. It's here.
I had that
You
panic
know,
attack.
phones are like babies, you know?
I had that panic
know
attack
they
when
are.
I
Yeah.
came there and we're having the barbecue, and we just got off this really bumpy ass road. And it's like,
Oh,
God, I'm gonna
where's
go
my-
back 5 miles. And I left it on a picnic bench.
Oh, lucky you. Lucky you.
Sometimes people drop something just before it gets. But, you know, 61 half a dozen the other. There's a Ollie posted on their website about correct.
Well, this looks like fun.
This is an adventure.
You see any trolls?
Whoa. Take your time.
Let me just park right here. It would have been smarter
Somebody
if,
come help me.
yeah,
There's no dark wizard here.
it would have been smarter if we had all done this. Come on up here. Okay, I'll steady it.
Okay.
Oh, there you go. You need help to get across?
I think I'm good.
Watch, I'll be the one that ends up inside. Ooh, I didn't rotate my pedal. Ah! Yeah, with those tires, I imagine. Hey, I offered you a knobby tire bike, but no.
I know. I wasn't gonna make you drag anything else out.
It's not a big deal, man.
Like, you know. Different when it's your own.
Yeah,
Take risks.
yeah.
That thing probably can barrel right through.
Yeah, it barrels through pretty good.
I
That was a little rough right there, though.
I think this is made as like a fire break,
Yeah.
which is unfortunate because it'd be easier to ride if it was just like this.
You all right? Was that my bad or your bad? I didn't think I was on the brakes at that point in time. I thought I was maintaining, but hey, sorry if it was me. I want to come back and do those single track trails.
You want to go back there?
No, not now. I'm just saying I want to come back and do that one day.
Taking that little piece of it.
Too many bumps here to be able
Yeah.
to pay attention.
Yeah, you got to pay attention carefully. What was he doing? Look at the helicopter, maybe?
It probably.
I gotta ask, Joe, was it the helicopter that distracted you?
It distracted me.
Oh, did you hit Joe?
I didn't know he'd fallen. I was like this.
Oh, no.
You're talking about me, Rick.
You both okay?
Oh yeah.
No
Okay.
blood?
No blood.
Then you're okay.
No blood.
Yeah, I don't have my little tow rope. I keep that on the scoria.
Yeah, I keep mine with my saddlebag, but
No saddlebag.
I've got nothing today. Except for what little bit Rick is hauling for me, so, which is water and a granola bar. And
Is it all right?
Yep.
Okay, there's someone on the Boulder Go trail.
yep,
We're good.
we're good.
This brake looks a little different.
Yeah, it is. I noticed that too.
Sorry.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's feeling so good on it too.
So I gotta ask you, because did you go down or was it just the bike? Did you bail off and stay on your feet, or because when I turned around and I saw you on your feet?
I didn't go down.
Oh, okay. Just the bike.
The front hit sand, the front kicked out.
Yeah.
And I caught myself, and then I saw.
Rick,
Yeah.
what were you gonna call him? Greg bumped me earlier. I don't know if you guys saw that.
We saw something.
Yeah. I don't know if I tapped my brakes. I don't think I tapped my brakes, but I may have and caught him off guard.
Things happen.
Yeah.
Nobody's injured.
So this
Heck yeah.
parking lot,
That takes us to power line. Yep.
and now it's back to the cabin.
Yep. Sweet. That was a fun ride.
That was fun.
Not without incident, but safely. I got to move that horn, man. I keep bumping it.
Thank you so much. Definitely fun. I'm glad we did
Not quite what I was expecting, but you know.
No, but you know what? That's just part of the learning
It
experience.
is. It is.
And like I was telling Greg, next time I really like this property.
Yeah.
So we just
Let's
get the
come out.
map
Let's just come out here
and
some
just
more.
go.
I really
Like
want
we-
to hit some of these single lane trails and see what they're all about because they don't look like they're too rough or anything. So
No.
absolutely. Thanks for.
You're
doing that.
welcome.
Appreciate you.
There you go.
Absolutely. Hey, you want to ride that thing again?
No, no.
Oh,
but-
come on.
No.
Hey, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hey guys, so today turned out to be a little different than what we were expecting, but it was still a good day. You know, we still got out and we got a chance to ride with the group of friends that like to get out and ride, and didn't go as far as what we normally would ride. And the trails were not really trails; they're more just, you know, maintenance roads and that sort of thing. So it wasn't quite what we thought it was going to be, but we did learn a lot while we were out there at the Carlton Preserve, and we do know that there are some trails out there, even single track trails. And I think a couple of us are going to go back again and maybe explore all that on our own, and not have a guide with us. So that's probably the plan. But it was still a fun day. We had a good lunch afterwards, and yeah, just all around fun time. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the riding video. Some of it was kind of boring, so I'll probably edit this video down to something kind of short. Yeah, because there's a whole bunch of the same thing over and over again. That's how it goes sometimes. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But anyway, that's it for this video. Be looking out for the next video, because the next video is going to pop up right